Do you love nature? Do you love nature? Then you got to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel because we share a lot of nature things, wildlife, plants, animals, and all. Now today we are showing you aloe vera plant. Just look at it. How amazing is it? Look at it, it's thorny, but then amid this being thorny, it's a beauty. And it has amazing medicinal purposes. In Africa and world over, it's used for medicine. Wow, I think you can look at how nice looking the plant is. And after the aloe vera, we've got a surprise. Follow me, subscribe, follow me, subscribe, and check, surprise. Ta-da! Next to aloe vera is the banana plant. So green. How many of you like bananas? And here, take a look with me. Subscribe, look. It has given a banana. In 2 months time it will be ready, so check. Ta-da! It's a banana. And ready to go back with me. Another surprise. Click to subscribe for the next surprise, but for now let's come back to our aloe vera plant. Bye bye. Love you from here, Speedy Green Media.